Hey everyone, Vincent Nguyen here. Welcome to my iPhone YouTube channel. Today we want to discuss about the Pitaka Mag Easy cases. They're carbon fiber. I've been using these cases for as far back as I can remember. I'm a big fan of the Pitaka cases simply because, well, they're carbon fiber, first of all, real carbon fiber, not the plastic crap that you see on eBay and everywhere else. They're super supportive, they're lightweight, and they look really good. So this is the Pitaka case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I've got one for the 11 Pro as well. Ordered the 12 Pro Max in already. I'm expecting the device to arrive sometime Monday. Look forward to the unboxing of that device on our channel soon. So let's jump into the unboxing here really quick. I got this here. I also bought, a generic version. So we'll get to that here in just a second. But I'm excited about the Pitaka Air case. And the reason I am super excited about it is that it is super thin and it's super lightweight compared to the one that has magnets in the back that allows you to magnetically connect to their other accessories such as car mounts, and in this case a portable battery charger. There is a workaround to getting this to work just like the Big Brother, and we'll talk about that later. But for now, this is like absolutely the thinnest and lightest case carbon fiber that, or available in carbon fiber that I can find on the market. They're pricier, about $50. But hey, that if you do drop your precious iPhone 12 Pro, you're pretty sure that it's going to have a better chance at surviving the drop than if you didn't. So as you can see here, it's so thin, it's so compact. They did a really great job with this bevel here around the back, and then obviously the flat sides here lends into how well the device fit in your hand compared to the one with the compatibility with the magnetic mount. It is ever so slightly thicker. So that's why if you wanted something that's more integrated with the metal inside that allows you to connect to existing accessories, you can do that. My workaround for this is using these guys here. They do come with, well, they were a lot prettier, I guess, when they came in the package with the chargers and whatnot. But for me, I just take these little guys and I place them. Hang on a second here. Okay, so I kind of eyeball it a little bit, kind of make sure that there's room for the charger, the wireless charger for the iPhone to work in that space there. And I kind of put that in and then and because it's not transparent in the back, no one's going to be able to see that you have it back there. So now you have the magnets, the metal in the back that will essentially serve the same purpose as if you were to go with the cases that already has it in from Pitaka. So in this case, I'm good to go. This case will mount to the wireless charger. It will mount to the wireless charger on your car or whatever. All the accessories should work. And while we're here, let's talk about MagSafe for a second. I mean, doesn't this look a whole lot like what Apple just announced in terms of MagSafe? I mean, Pitaka's had this concept for years now. So Apple essentially legitimized the concept. And in this case, I couldn't be happier because it's the best of all worlds for me. And so in that case, I use this portable charger as a desk charger as well. As you can see here, it snaps on, snaps off, and when I'm low on battery, I basically slip this guy off, take it with me, and when I'm done charging, it just comes right off. Pretty amazing stuff. I'm going to put all the links down below for you to check out. My best advice is to get them on Amazon. They're quick delivery, again, depending on where you live. And if you don't like them, you can return them. All right, so let's put these aside for just 1 second. I am very curious about the generic version of the case because it's about 20 bucks cheaper. I'm very curious to see how well built it is. All right, so this is for the 12 Pro Max, as you can see here. The big difference I see right away, wow, this might actually even be better than the real deal because Pitaka has a cutout down here. It does not protect the bottom or the top. So as you can see, if you drop this and it hits just right on an edge somewhere or on the ground, this part will scratch up. Whereas the generic version has it completely protected all around. And the one other thing I noticed, I think I might buy a couple more of these just as backup. The other thing I noticed is the back here, the lift. I don't know if you can see it. The lift seems like it's one piece from the back. It's part of this one back cover. Whereas on the official Pitaka case, it's kind of an add-on. It's like an afterthought, if you will. You know what? I don't know. They look really similar in terms of quality, thickness, fit. Minus the Pitaka logo, which is new for this year, by the way. I don't remember ever seeing that in the past. Yeah, looking back at the cases from the iPhone 11, does not exist. So yeah, it's wow, it's very similar to the real deal. The other difference is the edges around the corners here, it's more rounded, whereas on the Pitaka cases, it's got more of an edge to it. Other than that, I mean, for $20 cheaper, and you get more of an integrated cutout than this afterthought looking piece of plastic, I almost would want to say go with the off-brand, which I don't even remember what it is because it doesn't even say on the box. So let's take a look at this real quick here. Let me take, again, sorry I don't have the 12 Pro Max yet to demonstrate. Just bear with me for a few days. But let's take a look at how that would look raised. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. Once, I can't believe how much bigger the camera setup on the 12 Pro Max is going to be compared to the 12 Pro here. I mean, it's the cutout just basically engulfs the whole entire section here. All right, so Vincent Wynn here. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Pitaka cases, as well as the generic version for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 11. Be sure to check back on my phone on Monday-ish is when I'm expecting to get the 12 Pro Max in for the unboxing. Thank you. And if you like this video, please check the subscribe button below for more videos on everything that has to do with iPhone and Apple.